Hello. Hi. So yes, I've got few kids. Yes, so today it's a fun riddles. It's not fun riddles, basic math. So okay, I'm waiting for the participants. Let us wait for some time. I hope everybody can listen to me, right? Yes. Yeah, it's not on mute. Everybody can listen to me. So I'm waiting for kids. So if you want to if you want your friends also to participate in this, just send them the link. Okay, so let them also learn this. So I'll just wait for 2 more minutes. Okay, so meanwhile you can share the link with your friends. You can share these with your friends so that they can also join and they can also learn few things at least 30 to 45 minutes. So it will be a basic learning. It will be a basic revision. All of you are learning actually in school all these basic things. So it's basically a revision for all of us, for all of you people. So I want you all to share this with your friends. Yes, I'm getting a few kids. Oh, answers also I'm getting very good. Yes, the answer is math. If you rearrange all these letters, you'll get math. Very good. So for a change, I'm going from 20th slide to the first slide. Okay. So for a change, I'm going from 20th slide to the first slide. I'm just sharing this link with the other kids also. So I'm just waiting for that. So I just want you also to share with your friends. Yes, perfect. So I hope we are ready with this. So it's been 5 minutes we were waiting. Yes, we can start the session now. Yes, from meaningful word by rearranging given letters. So as many of you had answers, yes, the answer is maths. Math. Yes, Math. Yes, perfect. So everybody has answered very good, right answer. So I'm going to the next question. So yes, so here is the next question for you. Here is your next question. Here is your next question. Though you have got the answer, you just wait for 1 minute so that everybody, meanwhile, everybody can think it off. Yes, it is also very simple one. It is also a math term only. It is also math term only. Yes. Yes, it's a circle. Very good. Circle. Circle. Have got few answers. I just want everybody to check. So whatever they're trying, so I just want everybody to check. Yes, it's circle. So it is Circle. Right, kids? So it's right. So the answer is circle. Very good. I hope everybody has cleared this. Everybody have got the same answer. Okay. So I'm going to the next question. So here is your next question. Here is your next question. Here is your next question on screen. So waiting for the answers. So we have letters D L I S O. D L I S O. Yes, everybody's right. The answer is solid. Yes, O L I D. Solid. Perfect. Very good. So all are right answers. So we're going to the next question. I hope everybody is ready. Here is your next question. So your next question is on the screen. Your next question is on the screen. It's also a math term only. It is also a math term. Yes. So the answer is as everybody answered. The answer is yes. You are right. Number. 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 Perfect. Yes. So here is the next question. So today all are very simple questions. So without wasting any time, no need to explain the logic also. We can just directly go on to the next questions. Come on, try for the next question. Yes, what is the answer? Yes, the answer is RANK, rank. Yes, I want everybody to answer. Perfect. RANK, rank. Very simple question, right? Yes, going to the next question. I don't want to waste any time, so few of us answered already. So I'm going to the next question. Yes, here is your next question. It's also a math term. It is also a math term. So you all can share with your friends also. So as it's a kind of fun math, so they also can enjoy and they can also learn the basics. Okay, so try to share to as many friends as possible. Yes, I'm waiting for the answers. Very good. Very good. Answer is SQUARE. Square. Perfect. Perfect. Yes, I hope no need of explanation. I'm going to the next question. It's a very simple word. It's a very simple word. It's a very simple word. So what is this word? So the next question is on the screen. Waiting for the answers. Very good. It's a bird. B-I-R-D, bird. It's a very simple question. Yes, Advik. Yes, perfect. I'm going to the next question. I don't want to waste any time. So I'm going to the next question. So the next letters are S-E-W-N. So the next question is S-E-W-N. So for somebody actually YouTube is loading very slow. So that's why they're getting late. The question, few of them are getting late actually. Okay. Yes. So I'm getting answers. Yes. It is News. It's in news. Perfect answer. So without wasting time, I'm doing the next question. I hope everybody is getting their questions on time. Okay, so that's why I'm waiting for more time actually. Few of them are getting questions late. Okay, so that's the reason I'm waiting for. Yes, it's late here. Yes. So depending upon your Wi-Fi speed, it is loading actually. So that's why I'm waiting for this much time for each question. So here is your next question. So what is replacing with this question mark? Yes, it's also very simple question. So come on, try. If it is not clear for you, yes, okay. Just try. What can be the answer? So first I just want you to people to try. Then if you want, I'll give you a hint. So first I want you people, you kids to try. Then if required, I'll give you a hint. Very simple question. So what number replaces this question mark? Yes. What is the confusion? So here we have numbers 3, 9, 27, 81. What is the value of this and 729? You just try to analyze the pattern. If you write all these numbers in sequence from the smallest number in this pattern, this is 3, right? This is the smallest number. So if you just write in order 3, 9, 27, 81, dash 729. What is the sequence that it is following? What is the sequence that it is following? Yes, I'm waiting for the answers. What is the sequence here? Into 3, right? So 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, 27 times 3 is 81, 81 times 3 is 243. Got it? So the number is, the answer for this question is, I'll just remove this. Okay, let it be. I'll just put question mark here. So the answer is 243. Very good. So we are going to do few questions on this kind of questions. Okay. Yes, you're right, Adrik. 243 is the answer. So without making delay, I'm going for the next question. I hope everybody understood this. If everybody understood this question, you just put thumbs up in the comment box. Yes, if everybody understood this, put thumbs up in the comment box. So that I'll go to the next question. Yes, got it. Okay, I'm going to the next question. Here is your next question. If it is not clear, I'll maximize. Okay. So here is a question mark. You have to find out what number can be replaced here. Come on, try. Don't think that in the first attempt you have to get the right answers. Okay. So you just start doing. Use your pen and paper and start doing. Then it will be very easy for you. You have to find out which number replaces this question mark. Yes. Very good. Very good. So how I'm getting this circle answer is 27 multiplied by 5, we are getting this answer 135. So 36 multiplied by 10, we are getting 310. So same way, so dash multiplied by 3 is equal to 93. If it is a bigger number, what you can do is you can divide this. Okay, so otherwise if you know the answer, we can add this. It is 31, I'm sorry. It is 31. Yes, very good. Right answers. Right answers. I'm going for the next question. So I hope everybody is clear with this. Right? Okay. So here is your next question. 3, 6, 11, 18, 27, dash, 51 and dash. 3, 6, 11, 18, 27, dash, 51 and the next number is also you have to find out. You just first understand the difference between the consecutive numbers. Then you just see what pattern it is following. Yes, here is your next question. I'm waiting for this answers. So 3, 6, 11, 18, 27 and dash, 51 and dash. What numbers I can replace in these two blanks? Yes, come on, try. So here the difference is 3. Here the difference is 6 plus 11 minus 6 is 5. So 6 plus, by adding 5 we are getting 11. So 7 plus 11 plus, by adding 7 we are getting 18. And by adding 9 we are getting here 27. So what can be this? What can be the number in the next sequence? So here the difference between the consecutive terms, if you see, are odd numbers, right? The difference between the consecutive numbers are consecutive odd numbers. So 3, 5, 7, 9, these are all the odd numbers, right? So the next number can be plus 11 and the next number should be plus 13 and the next number should be plus 15. Yes. So what can be the answer? So by adding 27 to 11 we will get 38 here. Okay, so to 38 if we add 51 we'll get, no, to 38 if we add 13 we'll get 51. If we add 15 to 50, 15 to 51 we'll get, and here it is 66. So the answers are 38 and 66. Right? I hope it is clear to everybody. I'm going to the next question. Yes, here is your next question. Here is your next question. So everybody has solved jumbled words, but when it comes to math, everybody is silent. So here, 1, 8, 27, 64 and dash 216. 1, 8, 27, 64 dash 216. What can be the number here? Yes. With what number we can replace this pattern? Come on, try. So this is 1, which is 1 cube. The next number is 8, which is 2 cube. 27, which is 3 cube. 64, which is 4 cube. Next 6 cube. Right? So the number can be replaced is, which is 5 cube. So that means it is 125. Okay. I hope it is clear to everybody. I hope it is clear to everybody. I'm going for the next question. So 1/4 of anything is also called its 1/4 of anything is also called its 1/4. So it is 1/4. Out of four parts, only one part only we are talking about. So 1/4 of anything is also called its, yes, come on, try. So 1/4 can be also called as quarter. Yes, kids? Very good. Going for the next question. Going for the next question. I hope everybody is clear with till this. I hope everybody is clear till here, till this questions. The next question. So the result of a multiplication is called, what do we call? The result of a multiplication is called, the result of a multiplication is called the product. Yes. Very good. So the result of the multiplication is called its product. Next question. It's a very simple question. So if an object is moving from left to right in the same direction as the hands of a clock, it is moving in a dash direction. If an object is moving from left to right in the same direction as the hands of a clock, it is moving in a dash direction. So here is the clock, right? So they are saying if an object is moving from left to right in the same direction as the hands of a clock, from left to right it is moving. This is left, this is right. Okay, so it is moving from left to right. So this direction we call it as clockwise or anti-clockwise? Yes, so the answer is clockwise direction. Very good, very good. Very good. So I'm going for the next question. So the distance from the center of a circle of its to its edge is called its, the distance from the center of a circle to its edge. This is the center to its edge. The distance from the center of a circle, this is the center of a circle, to its edge, this is the edge, is called its, we call it as radius. So the answer is radius. Very good. So here is your next question. A number that can be divided only by 1 and itself and no other number is called a number that can be divided only by 1 and itself and no other number is called a dash number. If we see 23, if we see 23, we don't have any factors for this, right? We don't have any factors. Only it can be divided with 21 and 23. So only by 1 and itself is called very good prime number. Yes. Here is your next question. 100,000 is known as dash in India. 100,000. 100,000 they are saying. So 100,000 is known as dash in India. 100,000 is nothing but, so we can put a comma here in Indian number system. Okay, so this becomes 1 lakh. In international system there is no lakh. Okay, so they call it as 100,000 only. Okay, if it is more than 100,000, so this becomes 1 million for them. Okay, so whereas in Indian system we call it as 10 lakh. So the same number we call it as a 10 lakh and they call it as a 1 million. Okay, so 100,000 in Indian number system we call it as a 1 lakh. Good, very good. Next question. Division is repeated. Division is repeated. So we learn from this multiplication. Okay, so 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So here it is 2, we are multiplying 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 10. If we multiply this also we get 10, and also if we add this also we will get the same result as 10. Okay, so here the repeated addition is nothing but the multiplication and. So if we divide the same number by 2, if we do this division, so what do we get the answer? 5. Okay, so this is a repeated subtraction. Okay, so how many times we need to subtract? So 10 is divided into 2 equal parts. Okay, so how we will write here it is. So we will write 10 objects, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we will make it a group of 2. We will make it a group of 2. 1, 2, 3. See, out of 10 we are just removing 2 numbers. Out of 10 numbers we are removing 2 numbers here. Out of 10 we are removing 2 numbers. How many groups we are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups we are getting. Right? So division is repeated subtraction. So repeated addition, multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. Division is nothing but repeated subtraction. Okay, the last question for today. The last question for today is, yes, here is your question. A digit which has no value by itself. A digit which has no value by itself is, yes, very simple answer, right? A digit which has no value by itself is 0. A digit which has no value by itself. The answer is 0. Very good. So a small division. Okay, so a digit which has no value by itself is 0. And division is repeated subtraction. 100,000 is known as a dash in India. It's 1 lakh. Okay, in Indian system we call it as 1 lakh. So the next question is, a number that can be divided only by 1 and itself and has no other number, and no other number is called a prime number. The distance from the center of a circle to its edge is called radius. If an object is moving from left to right in the same direction as the hands of a clock, it is moving in a dash direction. It's a clockwise direction. It is moving in a clockwise direction. The result of a multiplication is called the product. 1/4 of anything is also called its quarter. 1/4 of anything is also called its quarter. So 1, 8, 27, 64. So it is we are taking cubes of all the numbers, all consecutive numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all the numbers cubes we are taking here. So 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube. So the number is replaced with 125 here. So here if you see 3, 6, 11, 18, 27 dash 51 dash. So here the odd numbers is uh, here we are executing we are the difference between consecutive terms are odd numbers. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Right? Next question. So the bottom two numbers multiplication is the product of bottom two numbers is the result of the upper circle. Next question. So the pattern here is each number is multiplied by the previous number. So you know all this. So NEWS, BIRD bird, SQUARE square, jumbled words this is RANK rank. The next jumbled word is NUMBR number, SOLID solid, CIRCLE circle, and the last question is MATHS maths. Very good. That's all for today. So tomorrow we'll meet with a new topic. Okay, kids? Fine. Very much. Thank you.